Hey everyone, this is our simple hello world program. Let's see. Let's see the code. This is the code, our hello world program in Go. In order for this to work, we have to configure Golang. To do that, we have to install Go wherever the installation is, installation in the Go website, or you can use Homebrew. For me, I did use Homebrew. So then we have to tell our computer where Go live, and then we have to tell Go basically and the computer where our Go space is. Let's go to see. This is my configuration. So here is where I did install Go, and to show you in the terminal, so this is the Go file. It's Go here. So this is the Go file. This is the content of that file. Then we are going inside this directory, right? So we are telling the computer, the Go root, hey, this is our Go root. Then what we are doing is we are creating a bin. So the bin is this one actually. When we go there, so let's say ls, so cd bin ls-l, you will find the Go executable, right? We are telling the terminal that this is our Go root, and we are telling the computer again that here we can find the Go installation. There is this Go FMT. It's the one responsible for formatting your code, because Go code gets formatted automatically for you, and that's using this one, Go FMT. What is the content of the workspace? So the workspace can be Go workspace can be or has to be a folder. You can put it anywhere. You can name it anything. And it's also best practice not to use these symbols and things like that, or space. So you just write something small, maybe, I don't know, Go, or maybe Go workspace, something like that. Inside it, you have to create 3 folders or subfolders, for instance. So the bin, the package, and the source. The bin, so let's talk about the package. This package is where Go manages your installed packages. Go puts them right here. Those are, like third-party packages, so to speak. Even packages maybe that you create or something like that, they will live right here. The bin, on the other hand, is where the executable. So when you create a Go executable file, it will go to this bin directory. And so you find it right here. There is the source, is where you are going to spend the most of your life in, so to speak. So here you are going to create different subfolders. Each folder contains a project. So let's say you create a hello project, you create an API, or maybe you create API to things like that we developers tend to do. Well, you better give this a proper name, but I'm sure that many of us will just keep going this way until we figure out, no, we need to stop and we need to give better names, because that's very important. So that's for this lesson. I hope you see. Just keep in mind, like I said, to put the Go root, and this one will use this one to export the bin, and then there is the Go path, and that's where is the Go workspace, and then this one use it and export the bin. That's all you have to do. For me, it's in the ZSSRC or whatever, so that's where I'm putting it. Thanks for watching, and see you the next one.